Okay, when you're doing one of these heater cores or evaporators and you got to take the dash out, you want to be careful where you lay it. It's my car, I was lucky. But see the damage in the dash? Let's see if heat will make it come out. Look at that. Yep, it's working out nice. Okay. There's a quick tip on how to repair an accidental dent in your dash or something of that sort that's made of that material. That came out good, didn't it? Izzy won't even know I damaged it. I'm sure if I had my torch with enough heat on it, or a heat gun would probably work, or even a hair blow dryer would do the trick. But hey, there you go. Quick tip, fix, repair. See? There's the after. Looks good. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.